Welcome to today's culinary journey. In this video, we'll prepare a classic pork chop rack, cooked to perfection with rich flavors and simple techniques. Whether you're an experienced cook or just starting out, this recipe will guide you step by step to create a dish that's both hearty and elegant. We begin our cooking by pouring a drizzle of pure extra virgin Greek olive oil into the pan, letting its rich aroma and golden essence set the foundation for our dish. We turn the heat on high, allowing the pan to come alive with energy, ready to sear the flavors to perfection. We season our pork chop generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper, enhancing its natural flavor before it meets the heat. We carefully watch the pork chop as it cooks, turning it from time to time to ensure it sears evenly and develops a rich golden crust on both sides. We place the lid on the pan, allowing the pork chop to cook through more gently, sealing in its juices and intensifying the flavor. We cover the pan with a lid, a simple chef's trick that helps the pork chop cook more evenly, locking in steam and keeping the meat tender and juicy. Our pork chop is now perfectly cooked and ready to be enjoyed. Bon appetit! Savor every bite and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.